Listen here. Exercise 1.4, fifth question. Read the question from the book. The book actually, the table is given. Clearly given. The table actually, first one is production sector, consumption sector, domestic demand, total output is given. From the first four pages are A11, A12, A21, A22. That's important. You will assume. The first one is A11, second one is A12, third one is A21, A22. Next column, what is given? Domestic demand is given. We don't want the demand. Because, read the question, last line, if the domestic changes to 80 and 40, you will use only the demand also. Not given demand. The final demand only you want to use. Then, output, output is called X1, X2. First one is 120, X2 60. In this way, data are given. I avoid only domestic demand. Remaining quantity will be A21, A11, A12, X1. A21, A22, X2. In this way, data are given. In all the problem, you got 5%. The previous problem, technology demand, that demand. But here, from this idea, you will find technology demand by using one formula. That is X formula. Now this is a formula. Bij equal to Aij by Ij is a formula. Now B11 means replace I by 1, J by 1. A11 by X1. Substitute 30 by 120, divide 1 by 4. Similarly, A1, B12, that is what? A12 by X2, 40 by 60, divide 2 by 3. B21, A21 by X1, substitute 1 by 6. B22, again same formula, A22 by X2, substitute 1 by 6. B11, B12, B21, we discuss technology and B equal to B11, B12, B21, B22 equal to this one. This technology. This question, the first 4%, this is directly given. But by using small formula, from the data, you will find this one. That is what you are doing. Then as usual, first point I know, already know. I is what? 1 0 0 1, B is this one. Subtract 1 minus 1 by 4. 0 minus 1 by 3, 0 minus 1 by 6, 1 minus 1 by 6. Now take LCM, 4 is LCM, 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 1, 3 by 2. Okay, 0 900 minus 2. 0 900 minus 1 by 6. Here, 6 is LCM, 6 ones are 6 minus 1, that is 5 by 6. Now find, we don't know 5 minutes. Last one by 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Minus to minus plus, 900. 2 by 3 into 1 is correct. Now 1 time 2 times. Correct? 1 time 3 times. Graph 5 by 8 minus 1 by 2. Sometimes LCM 8 times 7 is plus 1 by 45 minus 8. This is what? 37 by 72. This is not this. That is what? I minus B inverse X is B. Now what I got you? B1? Adjob y minus b. Adjob y minus b already find out y minus b. First that is change 5 by 6 here 3 by 2. Next time same the sign. The sign whatever can be same sign. Therefore I minus b whole inverse equal to what is the formula? 1 by divided by I minus b into adjob I minus b. Okay. Now 1 divided by dividend of minus is what? 37 by 72. Therefore, denominator is what? 37 by 72. No? This can be as reciprocal 72 by 37. Okay? Now, what the minus of the value? Okay? Now, 1 by 37. The 70 is multiplied to all elements. 5 by 6 is 72. Again, 2 by 3 is 72. Again, 1 by 6 is 72. Again, 3 by 4 is 72. Because this will be cancelled. That's why you want 1 to 1 times, common times, common times, 1 time, 4 times. 5 into 60. Again, 1 time, 1 to 4 times. Okay? 48. Next step, 1 time, 4 times. So 1 times, common times, 4 times. Am I getting it? How many times? 1 time, 24 times. Am I getting it? 1 times, 3 4 1 0. Alright. In this way, you want to multiply. The numbers are very small, but it's possible to cancel. That's why I want to multiply. I minus 5. Now only when the final demand means what? Capital D is equal to what is given? From the first table, domestic demand, third 50 that is given. But the last line, if the domestic demand changes to 80 and 40 is given. That's why by using that value 80 and 40. Now only, therefore, output is equal to capital is equal to I minus B whole equals to B. I minus B equals what? 1 by 37 into 60, 48, 12, 42 into 30, 42. Now please area. First row, first column. 60 into 80. That is what? 4, 8, W. Am I right? Plus x to the next 0. 33, 190. Second multiply 0, 16, 196. Second 0, okay, 0, 8, 16. Now adding what is the answer? 2, 0, 7, 6, 7, 2, 0. Here 0, 4, 1, 6, 8, 1. Now divide. That is the final demand. In this way, you will find the final demand is what? Final output. This is the final output. This is the answer. 1 by 37 into 6, 7, 2, 0, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 0. Right? Now multiply. Again, when you use the calculator, you want to multiply. 12 into 80. That is 960 now. Plus 42 into 4. 0, 860. Now adding one. 0, 3 by 4 into 72. How many times? 1 times into 3. 3 means 8 times. Am I right? 8 times. Already told you to use the calculator. Do the calculation sincerely. And here 3 into 54. That is what? 3 is what? 54. 54. Now multiply both 0, 16. Remaining 1, 20 plus 1, 21. 2160. 960. 960. Now adding what? Now 0. 6 plus 2, 12, 1, 10, 11. Remaining 1 is 3. 3, 1, 2, 0. Now by the calculator, 6, 7, 2, 0 is 37. Your answer is 181.62. Next, divide 84.32 is the answer. Therefore, the output of the industry, X should be 181.62 and Y should be next answer. Y should be 84.32. This is the answer. Some lengthy calculation, but the concepts are very simple. Even though by using calculator, that's why easy for you. Suppose not by using calculator is somewhat difficult because so many fractions coming, point losses coming. But by using calculator, do the calculation easy for you. Now, here one more thing actually. Here what is asking now? The question itself, the previous area now, determine the technology is first find out. Test working time conditions are by the other system also obtained. That means here you this also. This also okay. Now, the main diagram I minus b is possible. Possible, and determinant of I minus b is also possible. That's why hence the system is what? Viable. Am I correct? By Hawking-Simon's system, Hawking-Simon's conditions are satisfied. That's why the system is viable. When you put this also, we just asking, what is asking? Hawking-Simon's conditions are satisfied. I'm not asking. That's why you put the red also. Am I right? Otherwise, there will be answer 45 minus 8 is 47 into what? 37 by 72 is not low. Now, right clearly, this asking, that's why I have mentioned here. Therefore, the main diagram I minus b is possible. And the value of determinant of I minus b is also possible. Therefore, Hawking conditions are satisfied. Hence, the system is soluble. This is asking, that's why you want to clear. Suppose the word not involving, except this one, right answer. Anyway, lengthy problem, but very important question. From the data, from the question, you will assume A11, A12, A21, A22, then X1, X2. By this one formula, you find B11, B12, B21, B22, that is called technology matrix. Then as usual, find I minus B matrix, determinant of I minus B, adjust I minus B, I minus the whole universe. The last very important in the table, demand is demand, not by using demand, because that demand changes to 80-40 by using this demand, very important. That demand we don't want, neglect the demand. Then as usual, we can answer. Last one is part is coming, that's why to the complex sincerely. Important 5 mark question. Now listen here, 6th question, one table is given. From the table, what are values are given? A11, 4, A12, 3, A21, 5, A22, 4. And I told you the demand given, mean of a demand, because finally what demand is given. By use the demand only you will find the output. Then the output is given, X1, X2. This is the formula. B1, what is the formula? A11 by X1. A11 is 4, this is 20, 1 by 5. Am I right? Then B12 equal what? A12 by X2 is the formula. A12 is 3, X2 is 12, 1 by 4. Next, B21 equal what? A21 by X1. A21 is 5, X1 is 20, 1 by 4. Then B22 equal what? A22 by X2. A22 4, this is 1 by 12 plus 4 by 12 is 1 by 3. In this way, you will find B11, B12, B21, B22. Am I right? Now technology matrix. Technology matrix. Technology matrix. Cap will be equal to B11, B12, B21, B22. Am I right? Which is equal to, write the value 1 by 5, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 3. From this one, I will find I minus B 1 0 0 1 here 1 by 5, 1 by 4, okay, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Now subtract equal to 1 minus 1 by 5, 0 minus 1 by 4, again 0 minus 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 3. equal to 5 is LCM. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 1, 4 by 5. Here minus 1 will be. Here minus 1 will be. Here 3 ones are 3 LCM. 3 LCM. Minus 1 is 2 by 3. Now Granada by minus b. Am I right? 4 by 5 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 2. Now 4 by 5 into 2 by 3 minus. Multiply both minus 1 plus 1 by 4 to 2. Now 8 by 15. 1 by 16. Now what is LCM? What is LCM? 15 and 16. Therefore multiply both. 240 is LCM. 15 into 8 is 16. 240 is LCM. Now cross multiply. 8 into 16. 44. 4 means 128 minus 15. You got what? 3. 1. Okay? 130 by 240. 130 by 240. Now the same is an already not equal to 0. The main diagonals of I minus b is positive and value of I minus b is also positive. Therefore, Hawkins Simon conditions are satisfied. That's why the system is viable. First part over. Now you will find adja by minus b. Already told you matrix bracket. The first time interchange. 4 by 5 minus 1 by 4. Sorry. 4 by 5 and 2 by 3 interchange. That means what? 2 by 3, 4 by 5. Next, change the sign only. Minus 1 by 4 is there. Right, plus 1 by 4. These are the values. Now, write the formula. 1 by lambda by minus b into adja by minus b. Now 1 by lambda minus is what? 130 by 240. Reciprocal is what? 240 by 130 into 2 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 4 by 5. Now 1 by 130 into multiply by 240. 2 by 3 into 240. 1 by 4 into 240. Again 1 by 4 into 240. 4 by 5 into 240. 1 by 130 into 1 time 8 times 160. 1 time 60 times 60. 1 time 60 times 60. 1 time how many times? 4 times 8 times 40 times multiply 33 192. In this way you want to simplify. This is called I minus b whole inverse. I minus b whole inverse. Now only when the final demand capital D is equal to, now read the question. What is the question? Determine the output when the final demand for the output sector 1 alone increase to 23. 1 alone increase to 23 means what? The question, the final demand now, first one is 13 given, next one is 3 given. For 1 alone increase 23 means what? 23. 1 alone 23 is already 10 is there. That alone 13 become 23. 3 become 3. For 23 by 3. Am I right? This is important. The question is 33 is given. Here sector 1 alone increases to 23. That is what? 13 to 23. Upon ins of 30 23. Next one no change. Now only output is. Therefore output capital is equal to I minus the whole inverse into b equal to 1 by 130 into 160, 60, 60, 192 into 23. Then previous area. Now multiply. You want to multiply and divide, we get the answer. Now 1 by 130 no change. 160 into 23. Now multiply by using the calculator. 160 into 160 into 23 plus 60 into 3. This is what one way. 60 into 123 plus 192 into 3. Now multiply and add 1 by 130. By using the calculator, you want to multiply and add 3680 plus 180. Here 0 80 by 1 130 1380. Next 576. Now adding what? We get the answer 113. Adding 0 60 by 1 8 38. Am I right? Next 6 15 by 1 6 9 1. Now 1 3865 113. 1956 113. We get the answer 34.159. Next one is 17.3097. We round the figure actually round off 34.16. 17.31 is the answer. Therefore, output of the sector, the output of the sector 1 is sector 1, sector 2 no? Sector 1 is 34.16. What the unit actually? Unit supposed to be like to unit, otherwise you know. And second sector 1 is sector 1 is 34.16 and 2 is sector 2 is and the sector 2 is right answer 117.2. The three side only important 5%, but let the calculation. Do the problem reversal with the help of calculator. Then easy for you. You must have the formula also. That's very important. One more problem is there. Now exercise 1.4. 7th question is the last question. The same thing. Data from small things. From the table clearly given, X and Y is given. Consumption sector, domestic demand, cross output. And I told you the domestic demand we don't want. You will consider that and find the cross output when the demand, domestic demand changes to 12 for X and 18 for Y. But 12 and 18 only you want to use. What is given? A11 15, 10, 20, 30, 35, 60. It's a formula. Substitute value 15 by 35. You got 3 by 7. Here 10 by 65, 2 by 30. 20 by 35, 4 by 7. 2 to 13 by 65. You got 6 by 7. Am I right? Now our answer is 3 by 7, 2 by 13, 4 by 7, 6 by 7. Am I right? Here also 7 by 30 only. Now same thing 3 by 7, 2 by 13, 4 by 7, 6 by 13. Now subtract 1 minus 3 by 7. 0 minus 2 by 13, 0 minus 4 by 7, 1 minus 6 by 13. Now 7 is LCM. 7 is all 7. 7 minus 3 4. Here minus 2 by 13. Here minus 4 by 7. Here 13 is LCM. 13 is all 13 minus 6 7. Now adsorb. Remember now I minus d equal to minus 4 by 7, here minus 2 by 13, here 7 by 13. Now multiply 4 by 7 into 7 by 13. Am I right? Here minus and plus 2 by 13 into 4 by 17. Need not say 7 because 11 is what? 7 into 13, 9. Here was 7, 13, 7, 91. That's why we not say 28 minus 8. You got what? 20 by 91. Am I right? Thoroughly easy value. Am I right? Now the same reason, the main line of I minus b is positive and denominator of I minus b also positive. Therefore, Harkin Simon condition satisfied, the system is viable. Now, adjob I minus b. What do you do? This I minus b, no? First diagram change diagram. 7 by 30, then 4 by 7. Sorry. Interchange the first diagram. 7 by 30, here 4 by 7. Here change sign only. That means what? 2 by 30, 4 by 30. Now write the formula for I minus b whole inverse. 1 divided by 20 by 91 divided by 91 by 20. Look at this one. Am I right? Now, 7 by 30. Already I told you the 1 by 20 is fixed here. Multiply 91. 13 by what is this one? 7 by 30. 7 by 13 into 91. 91 multiply 91. 2 by 13 into 91. Again, 4 by 7 into 91. Here, 7 by 13 into 91. Common times is 7 times. 7 7 is 49. Common times, again, 7 times. 14. 13 times. You got what? 52. 13 times. Common times 21. 2. 91. 2 by 2. This is actually I minus b whole inverse. Now read the question. Find the cross output when the domestic demand changes to 20 for x, 18 for y. So 20, 18. Am I right? But in the table, some other domestic demand, some other values are given. But here 12 and 18 is given. 12 and 18 is given. Now using here 1 by 20 into 49, 14. 15, 91, 18, 48. Am I right? Now multiply. Multiply. Here, 1 by 20, 49 and 12. By the calculator, you want to multiply 49 and 12, 588 plus 14 and 18. Is 18 actually? Multiply 14 into 18, 252. Again, 52 into 12, second row first column, 624. Plus, next 91 into 18, that is what? 52 into remember the answer actually 4 by 7 correct here. Change this one. Actually 7. Okay, 4 by 7. Okay, 1 time 39. That is what? 13 into 50 0.72. 52 will come. Both answers same. Now multiply 52 into 12, 52 into 18. By the calculator, you want to multiply 936. Now divide. Let's say 1. First adding 0. Remaining 1. 4. Remaining 1. 840. Next is what? Adding 1 by 60. Now both the numbers extra is by 20. Common time 0 0 cancel. 82 by 2, 42. 0 0 cancel. 78. Am I right? So 42, 78. Therefore, the output for x and y is given. X is 42 and y is 78. In this way, you want to answer. Very simple concept actually. even though when you use the calculator, that's why this part is easy for you. When you use the calculator, when you use ordinary calculator, not scientific calculator, 3 crosses are over. These 3 crosses very, very important 5 mark question. The previous question up to this step. Am I right? That's why there is 2 mark or 3 mark. But the whole thing asking me, there is important 5 mark question. In exercise, 3 crosses are over. In example problem is there. And also miscellaneous problem also is there. Total this segment will be 5 question. You may expect one 5 mark question from this 5 problem. Important idea. Now next question. Example problem. Example 2.5, 25. Example 25. The same type of problem. From the data, table is clearly given. B1 and B2 sector, consumption sector B1, B2 is given. This is 10 name. First one is 10 name. Next one is 25. Next one is 20, 30. The output is what? 50, 60. Now, the final demand 15 and 10 is given in the table, not by using the demand. That's important. This is a formula. Now, substitute again 10 by 50. That is what? 1 by 5. This is 25 by 60. Good what? 5 by 30. 5 by 20. Next side. 20 by 15. 2 by 5. Again, 30 by 60. That is what? 1 by 2. Am I right? From the table, A11, A12, A21, A22 is given and X1, X also given by using the formula to find the technology matrix. Am I right? Now, substitute all over here 1 by 5. Here 5 by 12, 2 by 5, 1 by 2. Okay? 1 by 5. 5 by 12, 2 by 5, 1 by 2. Now I minus b is equal to subtract the corresponding element. 0 minus 5 by 12. 0 minus 5 by 2 by 5. 1 minus 1 by 2. Already told you 5 is LCM. 5 is not 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 by 5. 0 minus something only. A minus something only. Now 2 is LCM. 2 ones are 2. Already only 7 minus 1. Okay. Now find determinant of I minus b. Determinant of I minus b. Am I right? Now multiply 4 by 5 into 1 by 2. Minus plus 5 by 12 into 2 by 5. Cancel. 1 times 6 times. Here 1 time, 2 times. 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6. 5 is LCM, 30 is LCM, 12 minus 5, that is what? 7 by 30. This is not equal to 0. Therefore, as usual, the main diagonals of I minus is positive and the value of determinant of I minus is also positive. The Hawking Simon satisfied. The system is viable. Now, absorb I minus b. This is only I minus b. Change the first diagonal 1 by 2, 4 by 5. Am I right? Now change the sign only 5 by 12, 2 by 5. Now substitute here 1 by 7 by 3. No, reciprocal is what? 30 by 7. Now 1 by 2, 5 by 12, 2 by 5, 4 by 5. Now 1 by 7 into multiply by 30. 1 by 2 into 30. 5 by 12 into 30. Am I right? Next say 2 by 5 into 30. 4 by 5 into 30. Now how many times? 1 time, 3 times. 1 times, 6 times. So 1 by 7 into here 15. Here 12. Here 6 times. 2 times. Here 5 times. So 20 by 20. Now here, 1 time, 6 times. Am I right? Therefore, 24. Here, tracks is coming. That is not a matter. The fine should be evaluated. Now, the demand is what? Is the last line. Determine the outputs when the final demand changes for 35 for B1, 42 for B2, 35 for 2, 35 for 2. Now substitute here 1 by 7 into 15, 25, 12, 24, 35, 42. Okay? Now multiply. First one, first column. 1 by 7 into 15 into 35. 15 into 35. Plus 25 by 2 into 42. Cancel 22 times. Am I right? 12 into 35. Plus 24 into 42. Now multiply and add. Multiply and we get the answer. In rapport, we want to multiply 35 into 15. 25 to 15, 17, 35, 5 to 1, 5 to 5. 5 to 5 plus 25, 21. 525. Here, multiply 350, 420. Here, 40 to 24. 8, 16, 4, 16. 180. Now, adding both what is the answer? 0, 5, here, 8, 2, 2, 2. Now divide by 7. Common time is 105 now. Common time 15 times. And 0 is 50. Here. How many times? 3 times. Am I right? There is something wrong here. 12 into 35. 425. 24 into 42. 8, 16. 4, 8 only. 8, 0. 1000 only. Now adding 0, 0, 1. Next is what? 5. 0, remember 1, 5, 1. How many times? The answer is, the book answer 204. So 204 into 7. 1428. Am I right? Because the answer is the output of the industry, the output of B1 is 150 and B2 is 204. By using a calculator, the value is easy for you. This is very important. By using the calculator, then not easy for you. Otherwise, bigger number means some mistake will come. In a 4 problems, very important 5 mark question. You must solve all the 4 problems. And one more internal problem, previous question 2, 4. That is homework. This exercise is over. That's all.